Hello and welcome. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google business profile, and I'm going to talk about some of the benefits first so that we can understand what it means and why your business should do that. So let me just say, if I'm in a new place, and what I'm going to do is I am going to search for, let me just say maybe hotels in London. Okay, let me just talk of a small city. Maybe let me just say hotels in Bristol. So as you can see, this is hotels in Bristol. So if I come here, I'm gonna come across different search results. So what you can see here is what is known as Google profile. Okay, so what it simply means that these people, they have added their business onto Google business profile. So that's the benefit number one. You get what is called rankings on Google. So another example is that, as you can see, that there are reviews, 2,500 people, 2,300 people, 1,800 people. And what it simply means is that this is the number of people that have left their feedback in terms of their stay. And then if you look at the different prices, as you can see that this one is expensive, like it's 118, but the reviews are few. And then this one is like 89, but they've got 2,500 reviews. It means maybe a lot of people are talking about this. So from a buyer's perspective, someone who is searching online, they do come here to see what the people are talking about. And if they click on that, they will be able to see pictures, they will be able to see the phone number, and they'll be able to see quite a number of things that they can actually look at, and the kind of reviews that people left, and the pictures about their business. So any business can actually do this. Okay, any business can actually do this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go again to I need to create a Google My Business for one of our businesses, which is Creative 21. We focus on helping small business owners to succeed in the digital marketing. So our baseline is web design and graphic design, and web hosting, and of course marketing tips, like one of these ones that you're actually looking at. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to type in Google My Business. Okay, Google My Business. I'm going to type in Google My Business, and then once I type that, I'm going to come to a page like this. So in order for you to have a Google My Business, you need to have a Gmail account. I'm sure most of you do have a Gmail account. If you want to separate your Gmail, your personal, from a business, just go ahead and create a business account. Just go ahead and create a business with your business name. Probably it could be like xyzcompany@gmail.com. But in this case, what I'm going to do here is I am going to this process is free to do, actually, to click on that. This is basically the profile that you land on and then probably it may be different from the time that if you're looking at this video on a later stage or things like that. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on manage now. Okay, I'm already logged in my Gmail account. So as you can see that I do have a couple of businesses already that I've actually added there. I have one of these businesses that I'm going to show you, and then I'm going to show you for this one. And then what I'm going to do is, if I'm logged in, okay, I'm going to locate here that says add a business. So I'm just going to click on that. And then this is import a business or add a business. I'm going to add a business. So we click on add a single business, and what I'm going to do is basically it might look different from what I'm showing you, but it's actually all the same. And what I'm going to do is to put the business name. The business name is Creative 21. Let's see. Okay, Creative 21 with this name. There are also some other names with Creative 21, so I'm just gonna go ahead and create with this. Okay, business category. Basically, you need to share about your business category. In this case, this is digital marketing. So there is options that actually come up when you search for this. Okay, that's dating services. Okay, digital marketing. Okay, let me just go ahead and say web hosting company. That's a web hosting company, and let's see the options that we have. So I'm just gonna go ahead and type in website, website hosting company, website designer. This actually explains us better about what we do, and then we just click on next. There's a web designer. Okay, do you want to add locations so that customers can visit your store like an office? So this is for different use cases. Let's say your business, you're into plumbing, and you actually go out to people, so you can actually select whatever you need to select here. If you have a physical address, in this case website designing is actually an online business, so I'm just going to click on no. Okay, and then you're going to come to another option where do you serve customers? This is an optional step. So in this case, I do serve customers from different locations, so I'm just going to click on next. Okay, and then where is the business based? And this business is based in United Kingdom, and then I'm just going to click on next. Okay, and then here I'm going to add my phone number. So let me just go to my website, and I am going to add the phone number. I actually don't know this number by head, but I'm just going to come back here and then paste the phone number here. Okay, and then you're going to be asked if you have a website, which is optional. I recommend that you put your website there, because at the end of the day, when people come to this page to check your business, they can click on your website. When they click on your website, it's code, they will be actually getting what is known as backlinks. Your business will be getting what is known as backlinks, which is very important in digital marketing. And then on this step, you're supposed to verify your mailing address, and in this case I'm just going to quickly enter my my address there, and then you can choose to verify this step on a later stage, but I recommend that you do that. And then the next thing that you need to do after you've actually entered your address, you can actually enter another line if you want, but in this case I'm not going to do that, and I'm just going to hit next. And then you are now verified, and then what I'm going to do is just to hit next, and let's see what happens. And add your services. I'm supposed to add my services here in terms of as a web designer. So as you can see, there are some different categories depending with your business. So I'm just gonna, if you don't find anything that's similar in your business, you can actually add your own by adding a service right here. Okay, so I've actually added one, and I'm just gonna click next. Or if you can't figure out this, you can actually set this up later, and then I'm just gonna hit next. And let's see if I click next, or you can actually skip that, and then you have to select your business hours when you operate. So in this case, I'm gonna open up Monday, and after that you can actually set in the time that you open. Okay, so I'm gonna set that up to 12 p.m. on a Monday. Okay, so I've actually added the hours. I'm not going to add any hours here, and then maybe, yeah, I'm just going to leave it like that because most of our customers, let me just add another day here. Okay, so this is based on what you really want, or based on your business model. Okay, otherwise, in our case, we do have a couple of clients actually, so yeah, that we handle work with. So, and then that's next that I can actually, so you can actually turn this option to get messages if you want. People, when they come to your page, they can actually send you a message. So I'm just going to leave that, so it's really up to you. And then in this part, you need to describe your business, what your business is all about. And we have actually added our description on our website actually. Okay, and then what we're going to do, we have got an about section. I'm just going to copy this, or you can actually write up something that you want, and then I'm just going to do that, and then next. And then here you can add photos of your business. If you have any photos of your business, you can actually do that. But in this case, let me just see if I can find a picture of web designing. Okay, let me see. There we go. Let me just add this picture. I've actually added that. So in this case, you need to make sure that you add pictures that are real. Okay, like if you have a shop or a setup like that, make sure that you add pictures that are real and don't take pictures from the internet. Otherwise, you may be penalized for that. If you need to advertise your business, so as you can see, this is the option that is there that you can put when people search for a graphic designer. This is what appears. You can start advertising for a couple of dollars or a couple of pounds, and then here they say your edits will be visible once you are verified. So you have to go through the verification process, and verification process comes in many ways. Okay, so sometimes they do ask to send you a text, or they can send you a mail with a code that you can actually enter right there. But mine, because I have used my Google account, I do have a business already that is active. I guess that's why they have added my business there and then. So let me just show you some of the benefits again. Just browse through some of the features that are there, and as you can see, you can edit your profile, you can read reviews, you can send messages, you can add a photo, you can check performance, you can advertise, you can add products, you can edit services, bookings, question and answer, and things like that. So what it simply means, what I've done is that if someone searches for a business in your local area, let's say properties in a certain area, if your business is there on Google, it will actually show up as one of these. However, there are some key factors that you may want to work on your business in terms of getting these rankings. Number one, I advise that a lot of business owners, let's say for example, you have someone who has actually asked you a question on WhatsApp, and you're giving them answers, you're giving them support and things like that. What you can do is you can say, go ahead and ask this question on my business account. Okay. So when, let's say a very good example, you are going to get like 20 questions and people are coming here to ask questions, and then you go there, you give them feedback. Okay. You give them feedback. You're actually increasing your rankings at the same time. And then the other thing that you can do is that you can add a link to your website to say people can actually give you reviews. Reviews basically is testimonies from people. Let me just show you my other profile so that you understand what I mean. And let me just go ahead and I'm just going to open this. And then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you my other business that I've done this for. And then I'm going to type in Kuda Online. Okay. So if you type in Kuda Online, there you can see that this is a business that I run as well as an individual. So you can see that I've got Google reviews that people have left. And then if someone clicks here to say visit the website, if they click on that, they're going to land on this website, and by doing that, they've done what is known as a backlink. They've actually clicked that. It's more like they are voting for my website. So the more the people come here, they click, the better the chances of your website also ranking. And there's my address there. And then if someone wants to ask a question, they can just simply click here, and then they can ask this question. And then once they ask this question, you will be able to get a notification, and and then they can leave reviews about this business. So let me just go back. I'm about to wrap up. So let's say you want someone to give your business a review. All you have to do is just to get your first review. You just click on that, and then you can click this link, and then you can actually send it out to people. And then let me show you what they will see when they actually click on this link. They will actually come to your page, and then a pop-up is supposed to come that says give a review for this business. Okay, you need to sign in, but this pop-up should say give a review. Let me just go back to my to this account that I'm actually logged in. And then I'm assuming that someone is logged into their account. What they have to do is they have to click there and then leave a review. If they need to leave a photo, they can actually leave a photo. So think about this. Let's say it's a hotel. Someone will tell you about their experiences, the pictures that they have taken. And as the more people that do this, the more the rankings that you get. Okay, so you can also occasionally add updates like what your business is up to and things like that. This is really a powerful tool. It's actually free to use, and make use of it. And then in my other video, I am going to show you how to set up a Facebook business page and also have people leaving reviews. As you can see, this is my Facebook business page, over 10,000 followers, and I've got 80 people that actually left reviews. When people leave reviews, it actually builds a strong foundation for your business, because people are doing that already. So you can ask people to leave reviews on your website or on your pages, and if that is happening, you increase your chances of getting more loyal customers. So that's about it. If you have any questions for me, please do go ahead and leave a question in the comment section below, and bye for now.